why I brought you here is because I will show you something. You see, this is now how it has positioned itself. Now what has happened is, this is the natural normal habitat of Ficus bengalensis, a sacred tree all over Asia. All over Asia, Jainist, Buddhist, Sikhs, Hindus, all of them, they consider banyan tree as a sort of a complex ecosystem. The reason is, if you just see this, photograph this. These are, you can see the green photobiont. And the mycobiont is an alga. Mycobiont, they are all arboreal lichens. And this lichen, all this lichen is as old as this. Several years, say 30, 40 years, because for this aerial root to get this diameter, it takes 50, 60 years. Understood? So this is as old as me, this whole thing. And what happens? It can go inside this. The tree dropped it from that, see, almost at the right angle. You can see that angle. Top. And it found soil here to penetrate. But suppose this type of normal trees, if soil is not there to penetrate, then what will happen to the aerial roots? Let us have a look at that. These are still older. These are younger. So from the diameter of this young, you see, diameter of this, you can imagine how many years it will take to reach the diameter of that mature one. Mature one means it should root there, because you see, at the tip, if you see there, you will find active chromosomal division in the tips here. Very high mRNA transcripts you will find in the tip here, because here it is constantly dividing. The tip is growing millimeter by millimeter every day. It is trying to sense the ground. So this aerial root is positively geotropic. But what happens? Because it will not be able, it will be aborted. Why it will be aborted? You can see it here. Because it will encounter hard surface. Now all of you students of ecology and physiology need to answer my question. What is the final state of this aerial root? It's touching the ground. Is it going to be a stable like that one? Has this any hope? Check whether it will be able to penetrate the ground, and or is it going to get aborted? Check. Yeah, so why it is going to get aborted and that was successful that side? What is the reason?
Structure of the soil.
Structure of soil is there, but what is the change that you have seen in the soil? You know the answer. Human interference in the habitat. We have changed the structure of the soil by putting this. We have not allowed it. This is the canopy. This is phyllosphere of whatever that has remained of a 400-year-old banyan tree, a sacred tree. So the phyllosphere you compare with the land. There is no hope for anything hanging from top, and perhaps the tree has also understood it, and you cannot see any aerial root there. You have seen? So it is like a feedback process. Feedback means there is a system in this whole 400-year-old tree where it has recognized there is little soil there. So what is not known to science is this, how signaling takes place from soil to the tree. Then you don't see any birds or anything. You see here, एक सुद्धा ताजी तुका खांतोय दिसता तुका कित्याक पोंदान soil आसा. म्हणजे ताका कशें कळटा हांगा पोंदान सिमीट आहा म्हणून एस्फॉल्ट आहा म्हणून. हांगा एकूय दिसना तुका पळय. एकूय दिसना. सो अशे बारीक सारीक गजाली आसा न्ही, ते कोणेच सोदूंक ना कित्याक लागून. तर तांकां कशें कळटा की हांगा धाडपाक सकयल उडोवपाचें ना म्हणून फाटल्यान माती सारकी सिमेर पळय. थंयसून मेज तुवें पळय फुडें थंय आसा सिमेर आसा. ते सिमेर आसा. थंय सिमेर आसा. सगळे सिमेर आनी हांगा वयर कांयच ना म्हणून कांयच ना. हें कशें कितें? कित्याक हें हाका जालीं 25 वर्सां. 25 वर्सान ताणें शिक्षण घेतलां झाडांक. शक्ती खर्च करपाची ना बेठीच तें सोडून आमी. म्हणजे इंटेलिजन्स आसा झाड 400 वर्सांचें.